Hi, this is Design Guy. I'll show you how to make a smooth carousel slider in Canva for your website. Open Canva, then choose a template. In the template, locate the carousel component next. Type carousel in the search bar and press enter. This design includes carousels. Let's use this one now. Select it, then click Customize this template. Click Share, select Public View Link. Then click Create Public to generate a shareable public link. Copy the config link from the View Link area. Then close the template. Close it, return home, click Create, and begin building your website now. Click Website, then select a template for your site. Next, go to Apps and search for Embed to add it to your website. Click Embed, paste the copied link, then click Add to insert the content into your design. Here's how to add a 7-page carousel to your website quickly and easily. Click Preview to test your site. Use the arrow to select elements and confirm they work. Once satisfied, continue building your website. When finished, click the Share button to publish your site. Download, increase size, and save the website template using PDF standard. Now you know how to create a carousel slider in Canva-like, and subscribe for more quick design tips.